Excuse me, do you know what ange means? Ange? I noticed that a lot of towns in Luxembourg end in ange, and I'm wondering what it means.
Like ouzeldange and differdange, dudelange and hesperange.
Yes, and wolfverdange, and vernaldange, and ludelange, and pétange,
Elvange and everlange.
and roomlange, and rumelange,
Don't forget pissange. Elange and ailerange.
rummeldange, and raydange.
And there's like 14 erpeldanges.
Yeah, there are a lot of anges. Yes. Uh-huh.
But no, I don't know what it means.
Dang.
Actually, it's dang.
What's dang?
Dange in Luxembourgish is dang. You don't know what it means, but you know how to translate it to Luxembourgish? In the Luxembourgish version of town names, danges become dangs.
Ooh, interesting.
Ouzeldange is ouzeldang, differdange is differdang, doodlange is diddling. What happened to the dude? Who?
I think he means the dude in dudelange.
Oh, there is no dude in diddling. No dudes in diddling? Just ladies? Sweet. I'm gonna put there. Am I right?